All right, and we are back. Module 2 is about the magnetic lasso tool, and it's a continuation from Module 1 where we use the polygonal lasso tool. So now we're going to be using the magnetic lasso tool. We can come over here, click and hold where the polygonal lasso tool is, and we want to make sure we select our magnetic lasso tool. It's the very last option. We're going to go ahead and zoom in on the shrimp area. If you want to trace another area, go ahead, but I'm going to focus on the shrimp for this tutorial. Now, let's notice, I'm going to use this fish. Let's notice that we have right now by default, the car layer is selected from our previous tutorial because that is where we finished off. So I want to go ahead and select the background layer. And having the magnetic lasso tool selected, I'm going to come here and just start tracing. Notice I'm not clicking. I'm just tracing. Here I'm going to click once because it's not finding the point. So I'm going to click and then I'm going to keep tracing. The magnetic lasso tool is very smart. It finds the edge for you. Sometimes, for example, right here, it wasn't as good. You can come in here and click to get more defined edge as needed. And for example, if you accidentally mess up like I just did with 2 points, click delete until you're back. And this area, it's being a little tricky, so I have to help it along by clicking. But normally you can go ahead and just trace the edges and it should snap right to it. Okay, Command C to copy. Let's go over to this area again. Command V to paste, select your move tool, and just click and drag the fish over. And then Shift Command 4, create a screenshot, which again, you upload to the eCadence assignment.